crew, it's Jay and I'm back, and as you can see I am fully dressed, literally fully dressed, and I'm waiting, y'all. We're always waiting. I'm always waiting on him.
I am fully dressed. You gonna catch me on camera? I am fully dressed, y'all. Ready by the door, waiting on her.
It's day 2 and I got dressed before him. As you can see, I got the camera first and I'm here.
Alright, CJ, bro.
With y'all.
You know your boy Chris don't keep it 100 all the time.
Don't do that.
I told you try to cover me. I'm gonna spill it all, let them know that it really was you.
Whatever.
But it was her, y'all.
Rocking the brand
Good morning.
again. Because if you don't rock your brand, who gonna rock it? Period. Yeah, mask. But yeah, today's day 2. So what time is it? It's 11:06. And we're about to go. He's on. We're about to go. I don't even know. I guess we're gonna do some sightseeing. I don't know where we're gonna go first, but when we get there, we're gonna let y'all in on the tea or whatever. Not the tea.
It ain't no tea. We gonna let y'all know what we doing.
Yeah. So guess what? We never told them where we were.
Oh. I said last night, I thought they was gonna catch it.
Oh yeah, he gave y'all a little hint.
But you know, people ain't really catch that, so.
Oh y'all, look at what, babe. Look at what's back there. Can they see it?
No, they can't.
Oh, dang.
So we did the room tour, and after the room tour, we found something else. It was kind of creepy.
It was very creepy.
But we're gonna show y'all what it was.
Yeah.
All right, let's show y'all.
We show y'all the lion, and look at what we have here. Like, what is that?
Really nice.
It is so creepy. Like, remind you, our bed is right here, and then that's right there. Like, that is so weird. So yeah, we're about to go.
We about to head out
Do
sightseeing.
some sightseeing. We're gonna take y'all with us.
Come on with
so
us.
if y'all didn't see that hint, and then the hint Bae gave y'all last night, we are actually in Washington, D.C. Yes, we're about to go see. You be dragging it.
Alright. Yeah.
But yeah, we're in Washington, D.C. We're about to go see the president.
We're finna go see Joe Biden. I got breakfast with him right now.
Yeah, he called us.
We'll brunch a little bit. So, you know, we're gonna go stop over at the little White House real quick.
Yeah.
You know, we got that VIP pass, you know.
Y'all know what's up. Y'all know what's going on. But, yeah.
Hey, Joe. Yeah.
We did it, Joe. We did it. But yeah, we're about to head to the White House because they just called us and we're running late. They got a car outside for us and everything. Yeah. So we'll see y'all when we get there. Bye. Okay, you guys, so we are here. So over there we have the African American Museum. And then literally right across the street is the Washington Monument, correct?
Yep.
It's so many people out here, and it's literally 11. It's not even 11:30 yet. It's 11:24. So.
And y'all, this African American Museum, I tried to get tickets like 2 months ago out, and you just couldn't, man. It was just, they were
booked up. And the line, well, for the African American Museum, the line is not that long. But for the American Museum, the line is literally like wrapped around the building.
And I want to go. I did see something where they said that, you know, sometimes they do let people come in that don't have a time ticket, because it's free entry.
But you just gotta have a ticket.
Yeah. And sometimes they do let people come in, but with the pandemic, I'm not sure how if that changed anything, but
yeah,
I want to go so bad.
And then y'all, it's so many food trucks. I don't know if you can see the ones right there, but it's so many food trucks like up and down, like on the side. So we're probably gonna try something from the food truck a little bit later. And the weather is nice. It's not too hot. It's definitely not cold. So yeah, we're about to just do some sightseeing. I thought we was going around. Look at me. I don't even know where we going. Wear your mask, wear your mask, wear your mask.
Wear your mask. crew. So we have now made it to the actual National Mall. Y'all saw us at the Washington Monument. Now behind us, y'all can see National Mall with each column lines out each state that represents the United States of America.
Pretty cool. We gotta go find Alabama, Tennessee, and Georgia.
Yep. Alright, CJ crew, so your boy is getting ready to walk up to the Lincoln Memorial. It's just me. It's hot out here and Jay could not come along for the walk. So your boy is making the walk by himself.
Put out the water, put out the water.
If y'all don't know, on August 28, 1963, the famous I Have a Dream speech by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was given here on these steps to a packed crowd of people. My good old fraternity brother. So I have to walk up these steps. I feel like, you know, I just got to do it. So I'm gonna make this walk and I'll talk to y'all when I get to the top. Good old Abe behind me, but the view from here is so amazing. I just want y'all to see it and enjoy it. Look at that. Looking out on the National Mall. Washington Monument behind us.
Yep.
Yeah. Where the money reside?
Where the money reside?
Where the money reside?
Where the money reside?
As y'all can see, Jay is back in the video.
I'm back, y'all. I'm back. I had to take a little break. You know me. I don't like outdoors for real. So this is a lot for your girl. This is a whole lot. So yeah, I'm back. I'm better.
I'm back in. I'm
Got some
better.
Gatorade. My man bought me some Gatorade.
I don't need
I
her
was
passing
out
out.
here.
She was scaring me, y'all. I come back, she laid out on the ground. I said,
I
Jesus!
was not laid out.
Jesus!
Okay.
We have made it to the White House. We are at the front of the White House now. You can see it way better than we were on the back side of the building. All right, y'all, so that's gonna do our attraction tour for the day. We went to the National Mall where we saw the Washington Memorial, the Lincoln Memorial, the Washington Monument, the Lincoln Memorial. What else we saw, babe? The White House, the president, the vice president's office. Man, we've seen it all. The Treasury, we've seen it all. And right now we are in Lafayette Square. If y'all know, anytime protests or anything happen and people come to the White House to protest, they do it in Lafayette Square. And this is where we are now. Very calm right now versus what we've seen previously the past 2 years. Yeah. And YouTube might censor what I'm about to say, so I won't tell y'all, but I seen something today that made me really excited. And see, all people are, not everybody's bad people. I'm just gonna say that. So, all right, y'all. Thank you, Uncle Joe.
Ooh. Oh. Thank you. Our food was amazing. Steak and eggs. A1, 10 out of 10. But you got some food on your shirt?
I don't know what that is, man. It don't even look like nothing I ate.
Okay, tripping. But we out here living our best life. Living
Best
our
life.
best fiance lives. So this is like a must see, a must have, a must taste. It's like a famous place. Obama ate here, y'all. Obama ate here. So we're about to try it and let y'all know how it was. Yeah. that.
No, I'm talking. All right, babe. Try your burger again. Mishap with the camera. Good. Good morning, CJ crew. Good morning, everybody. Nah, y'all. Good morning. It is Sunday.
I don't even know the date. Is it the 15th?
Yes.
Yep,
Sunday.
it's the 15th.
August 15th. Happy Sunday, fun day, CJ crew.
And I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog so far. We are about to go get some breakfast.
Yeah, most important meal of the day.
Yep. I don't know where we're going, but Bae chose the place, so hopefully
I chose the place.
He looked at some reviews and some pictures.
Now you know I don't look at reviews.
I do. You gotta look at the reviews and the
I know.
pictures.
That's why I tell you to pick stuff, but then
I didn't feel like it, y'all. I didn't feel like it. Not today. So
yeah, I saw this post. It said that it was to women from men. It says, women, we ask y'all what y'all want to eat because we don't know what we want to eat either. So,
but we never know what we want to eat.
All right, we just letting y'all say, oh, whatever y'all want to eat. But the post is letting y'all know that we don't know what we want to eat either. So,
well, somebody got to pick. So, and he picked today, and we're about to see.
The reason I always defer to her to pick because I don't really care about, you know, I can go somewhere and find anything on the menu.
I'm the picky one.
Exactly. So I tell her to find things, and
sometimes I just don't
pick
want
some,
to make
you guys.
a decision.
So
yeah, we're about to go see what it's talking about.
Yeah, we're gonna let y'all know what it looks like when we get there.
What it tastes like.
And I don't know, y'all. It's morning, so y'all had to catch me when I get some food. We are downtown Washington, D.C. right now. The place that I chose for us to eat is called Founding Farmers. Get it? Founding Farmers. So, yeah. So we are now waiting. We just gave them my name. They said, what, an hour?
Yeah.
An hour. So I think it'll be probably quicker than that. You know, they have to give you that estimated time. Still don't know how they come up with that, but yeah.
Right.
It's a beautiful day out here, y'all.
And the weather is so nice. It's breezy, it's windy.
All right, y'all. So I got bacon, French toast, hash brown and eggs. They have stuffed French toast with cream cheese in it and strawberries, and she has some eggs. And now she's back.
Okay, you guys, so we're downtown. Our hotel is literally right there, and we came outside and it was a scooter.
Different type of scooter.
Yeah, so it's like the electric scooter. What is electric scooter?
Yeah, it's like a moped type of scooter. It's not like your type of scooter.
So we're about to see if we can get it. Hey, you know what you doing?
Yeah, man. I'm skilled.
Babe, you know what you doing?
Yeah, man.
I'm scared. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm gonna be a rider girl.
We about to
tonight.
You gotta keep your balance now.
Okay.
Just hold on. Trying to let all these cars go before we go.
I'm a little scared. y'all. I'm a little scared.
It ain't that bad, y'all. You ready?
Woo!
It's alright. Hey, yeah, we out here. Is this a one-way? Nope. All right, crew. So we survived. The scooter, your boy.
That was fun.
Your boy is a certified scooter rider. You know, if you ever need to get somewhere on a scooter, come see your boy. Just come see me. But you had fun?
I did.
It actually is way better than the actual smaller scooter.
Yeah, because I feel like you can sit and that's more convenient.
Relax. You gotta obey the roadways though. So if it's a red light, you have to stop at it. Turn signals, all that. You gotta do it. So if y'all in the city with scooters, to be honest, I've only seen it up north so far. So
yeah, 10 out of 10.
made it back home to where we started originally, in the parking deck.
I know.
In Nashville.
We had a really good time.
Free paper bond.
If you don't know what that means, it means our time is up.
It's
free time is up.
Free time is
over.
up. Free paper bond.
We're back in Nashville and we're super tired. So thank you guys for coming on this journey with us. Journey. Thank you guys for coming on this trip with us. We got more journeys ahead, okay?
Y'all just stay tuned. Stay tuned. We got just stay tuned.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys real soon. We have a Q&A video. It's gonna be uploaded after this one.
Thank y'all for y'all questions.
Yes.
We got some good juicy questions.
That video was long overdue as well. So
we got some juicy questions.
Yes.
Some of y'all nosy.
Y'all always know it's gonna be the Q&A.
But we love y'all.
All in our business.
But we love y'all.
All right, bye guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell a friend to tell a friend.
To tell a friend about Chris and Jay. Chris and Jay. Chris and Jay. Why are we whispering? I don't know. All right, y'all. So we're about to get ready.